Okay, good afternoon, students. Now we will be
Hello,
having a
ma'am.
physiology theory class. So for physiology theory, we have discussed about endocrine system till adrenal glands. Do you remember till adrenal glands? After your adrenal glands, next come your pancreas. This is the continuation of your endocrine system. Okay. So in your endocrine system, the last part which we have completed was adrenal glands. Today we will start with pancreas. So this is your pancreas, and this pancreas they plays an important role in digestive system as well as your endocrine system. And this pancreas, what do? They make some digestive enzymes. And these digestive enzymes, what will they do? They break down the food. Okay, whatever is there in your digestive system part, they will break down the food. And also, what do? This pancreas, they will also make some hormones which are insulin and glucagon, and they will make sure that the right amount the right amount of sugar is going to your bloodstreams and as well as your cells. I will repeat again. This is your pancreas, which is in your endocrine system or endocrine gland. You can say it plays an important part in the endocrine system as well as your digestive system. And this pancreas, what do? They will break down the food. They will break down the food, and they will also make some insulin, insulin, and as well as glucagon. And what will they do? They will make sure that the right amount of glucagon and the right amount of insulin is going into your bloodstreams as well as your cells. Understand? ये pancreas है, ये endocrine system में है, तो ये क्या करेंगे? ये digestive system में भी काम करता है और endocrine system में भी काम करता है. और ये क्या करता है? डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स में, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में ये एंजाइम्स बनाता है. और ये जो एंजाइम्स है क्या करते हैं? मतलब खाने को ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. ठीक है, इट विल ब्रेक डाउन द फूड. एंड ये पैनक्रियास पे क्या होता है? इंसुलिन और ग्लूकागॉन ये पैनक्रियास बनाता है और उसके बाद कहाँ चला जाता है? ब्लड स्ट्रीम और सेल्स के तरफ चला जाता है. ठीक है. Did you understand? Pancreas, shall we move to the next? Yes? Did you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is ovaries. Ovaries you will find in the female reproductive system. Not in the male, only in the female reproductive system. And this ovaries, what do? They they make estrogen and progesterone. So these are hormones. This estrogen and progesterone, they are the hormones which you will find in the female reproductive system, that is in the ovaries. And this, what do? They develop breast at puberty, means the size of the breast, it will increase. Okay, because of what? Because of this estrogen and progesterone, with the help of this, they will help in progressing. And also they will do what? They will also help in the reproductive system part, that is menstrual cycle, and as well as means for pregnancy time, during pregnancy time, for getting pregnant, it helps in that. Did you understand about ovaries? They will make this one, two hormones. The names of the two hormones are estrogen and progesterone. And this estrogen and progesterone, they are mainly responsible for the female reproductive system part. Understand? That is, they helps in what? Increasing the size of the breast during puberty age, and also as well as they will regulate, they will help in reproductive system part. Reproductive system part, that is menstrual cycle and as well as pregnancy time. Understand? Do you understand, everyone? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is the testis, which you will find in the male reproductive system, man. So, what is the important function or what is the important role of this? It is that they make testosterone. This testosterone is what? It is also the name of the hormone. And this testosterone, what do they do? They help the men to grow some facial hair and also as well as what body hairs during the time of puberty. When they reach puberty age, okay, adolescent stage, you can say adolescent stage. At that time, this testosterone helps in that, and you can find that this testis, they means this testosterone. What do? They also help this penis to grow in size, and also they will play an important part in making the sperm. Okay, that is in the testis. This part, they will help in that. Okay. ये जो ओवरी है, ये सिर्फ हम लोग को मैन वुमेन, ये सिर्फ लड़की लोग में मिलेगा। और ये क्या होगा, ओवरीज पे दो हॉर्मोन्स बनाएगा। ठीक है, इसका नाम है एस्ट्रोजन और प्रोजेस्टेरॉन। तो ये एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का काम क्या है? एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन मतलब जब प्यूबर्टी होता है, फिर जब टीनेज का टाइम बोल सकते हो, एडोलेसेंट टाइम, तो यहाँ पे मतलब ब्रेस्ट साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा और क्या होगा, रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में भी मदद करेंगे ये लोग। ठीक है, रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम पे, जैसे कि मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल और प्रेगनेंसी, मतलब प्रेग्नेंट होने के लिए भी मदद करते हैं। इट इज रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम पार्ट। ठीक है, और ये टेस्टिस में क्या देखेंगे, टेस्टिस मतलब हॉर्मोन्स बनाता है, उसका नाम है टेस्टोस्टेरोन। तो ये टेस्टोस्टेरोन का क्या काम करता है, मतलब ये हेल्प करता है, मदद करता है, जैसे कि फेशियल हेयर मतलब दाढ़ी मूछ वो सब होने के लिए, मतलब लड़के लोग को मदद करता है। और अ, और क्या मतलब ये जो इसको बोलते हैं पेनिस, ठीक है, देयर इज मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, ये पेनिस मतलब बड़ा कर देता है साइज में। और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे स्पर्म भी बनाता है। और स्पर्म वो टेस्टिस में होता है, ये स्पर्म मतलब मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के लिए अच्छे हैं। ठीक है, ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? So this is your endocrine system. So I will repeat again. So endocrine system consists of what? Pineal glands, pituitary and hypothalamus glands, this part. Then next is thyroid and parathyroid. Thyroid you will see at the front. Parathyroid you will see at the back side, or you will see thymus, pancreas, adrenal, testicle, which you will find in the male, just now I have said, and for female you will find in the ovaries. So these are the organs. तो ये सारे organs endocrine system पे मिलेगा। ठीक है, testis मेल के लिए और ovaries फीमेल के लिए। So what do you mean by endocrine system? Endocrine system is a network of glands. They connect with each other, and they will make hormones. And these hormones, they help in what? They will help like to communicate with each other. And they are also responsible for what? They are responsible for the function of all the cells, all the organs, so that your body can function normally. Understand? So this endocrine system, you can say they are a network of glands. They connect all these glands. Endocrine system, they are made up of glands. Endocrine system are made up of glands. And this endocrine system, all these glands, what do? They will connect, they will communicate with each other so that they can function normally, they can function properly, so that it will be helpful for your body to function at the normal phase, you can say. तो ये एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम क्या है? एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम मतलब ये जो सारे ग्लैंड्स हैं, पिनाक ग्लैंड्स, पिट्यूटरी, थायराइड, थाइमस, ये सारे ग्लैंड्स एक साथ होके कम्युनिकेट होते हैं ये लोग। और ये लोग मतलब क्या करता है, ये लोग हमारे शरीर अच्छे से काम करने के लिए, अच्छे से फंक्शन होने के लिए ये सब जुड़ा हुआ है। ठीक है, ये सारे ग्लैंड्स कम्युनिकेट करते हैं ये लोग। So what is the function of endocrine system? The function is that they will control our mood, and they will also help you in what? They also help you in growth and development, how you will grow, how you will like develop. So the endocrine system plays an important part in that, and also what? Metabolism of your body, and as well as your organs, and they also helps you in what? Reproduction. As I've already said, they also help you in reproductive system part. And this endocrine system, what will you get? They will also control on how your hormones will work, on how your hormones will go out, how they will release, how they will function. So the endocrine system also helps you in that. And these hormones, this endocrine system, in these hormones, what will you get? They will go to your bloodstream and they will supply it to the different parts of your body, wherever it is required. So these are the three functions of the endocrine system. तो ये endocrine system में इस पहला function क्या है? ये endocrine system hormones बनाते हैं, और ये जो hormones क्या करते हैं? ये लोग हम लोग का mood, ठीक है, सुखी का टाइम, दुखी टाइम, तो ये सब moods endocrine system के मदद की वजह से हम लोग वो करते हैं, कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। और नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? ये मतलब okay, can you hear me now? Hello?
Ma'am.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. और दूसरा फंक्शन क्या है? दूसरा फंक्शन मतलब ये एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम हॉर्मोन्स को रिलीज करता है, मतलब कितना हॉर्मोन्स जाएगा हमारे शरीर के, मतलब हमारे दूसरा अंग पे कैसे जाएगा, ये सब कंट्रोल करता है। और नेक्स्ट क्या है? ये जो सारे हॉर्मोन्स है जो एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम रिलीज करता है, जो ये एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम बनाते हैं, ये मतलब दूसरा अंग में चला जाता है, ब्लड स्ट्रीम के द्वारा ये लोग चला जाता है। ठीक है, तो ये सारे एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स हैं। पहला मिलेगा हाइपोथैलेमस, ये हाइपोथैलेमस है। तो ये हाइपोथैलेमस क्या करते हैं? ये हाइपोथैलेमस पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड को कंट्रोल करता है। ठीक है, कितना सारा हॉर्मोन्स दूसरा दूसरा पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, मतलब दूसरा दूसरा अंग में जाएगा, इसको बताता है। So this hypothalamus, what will they do? They are connected to this pituitary gland. So they will control. Okay, they will control this pituitary gland, like how much amount the hormones they will release. Okay, if it is too much, they can ask them to stop it. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया तो हॉर्मोन्स प्रोड्यूसिंग बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीज हो गया तो क्या बोलेगा? रोकने के लिए बोल देगा। If they are releasing too much hormones, like they will ask them to stop. Understand? So it helps in what? It helps in controlling part. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Hypothalamus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is pituitary. This is pituitary gland. So this pituitary gland is also known as a master gland. So it is also known as the master gland, and what will they do? This pituitary gland, they send an information. They pass some information to the brain so that they will tell them. Okay, means they will tell them means to whom? To the other glands. To the other glands, like what to do, what not to do. So they will ask them, like, they will instruct them. They used to control, and as well as they used to instruct them, like what to do, what not to do, to the other glands. And what do they do? This pituitary gland, they make some important hormones, which is which is which are growth hormone. So this growth hormone, what will they do? They make prolactin. So this prolactin helps in what? This prolactin mostly helps the women who are breastfeeding the babies, no? Who are breastfeeding their babies. They help them to what? To have some milk, to produce some milk from the breast. And also this pituitary gland, they will make luteinizing hormone, that is LH. And these luteinizing hormones, what will they do? They manage another hormone, that is estrogen and testosterone. This estrogen is responsible for women and testosterone is responsible for men. Understand? तो ये पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड का काम क्या है? ये मतलब ब्रेन को कंट्रोल करता है। ब्रेन को कंट्रोल करता है। उसके बाद क्या होता है यहाँ पे? मतलब जो सारे ग्लैंड्स हैं, दूसरा दूसरा ग्लैंड्स है, ये मतलब उसको इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है, मैं उसको कंट्रोल करता है, क्या करे क्या नहीं करे, ये सब कंट्रोल करता है। और ये जो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड है, ये क्या करता है? ये हॉर्मोन्स बनाता है। तो ये जो हॉर्मोन्स है उसको ग्रोथ हार्मोन भी बोलते हैं, और ये प्रोलैक्टिन है। तो ये प्रोलैक्टिन का काम क्या है? प्रोलैक्टिन मतलब एक दूध देने वाले औरत के पास में ये होते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये मतलब प्रोलैक्टिन मतलब ब्रेस्ट पे मतलब दूध प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ताकि उन लोग को बच्चे को अच्छे से दूध दे। ठीक है, तो ये पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड क्या करते हैं? ये एस्ट्रोजन और एस्ट्रोजन और टेस्टोस्टेरोन बनाता है। ये दो हॉर्मोन्स है, जो एस्ट्रोजन है वो वुमेन यानी कि मतलब लड़की लोग के पास होते हैं, और टेस्टोस्टेरोन मतलब लड़के लोग के पास होते हैं। ठीक है, समझ में आया पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड? Did you understand everyone about pituitary gland? Yes? Are you clear? Are you clear or not about pituitary? If you are clear, then I will go to the next slide. That is pineal glands. So this pineal glands helps in what? They helps in making a chemical which is known as melatonin. So this melatonin helps you in what? Melatonin helps you in sleep cycle. Okay, like when at what time when you sleep, so it controls your sleep. You can say they helps you in that. This pineal glands they release or else they make some chemical which is known as melatonin and they helps you in that. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Yes. Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next is thyroid gland. So this is your thyroid gland. The thyroid gland helps you in what? They helps you in making thyroid hormone. And this thyroid hormone, what does it do? It controls your metabolism of your body, like how your body will function. Okay, metabolism. So your thyroid gland. Here you will get your thyroid. Okay, in your neck area, you will get your thyroid gland. And next is parathyroid gland. So this is the parathyroid gland. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parathyroid gland you will see at the back side of your thyroid gland. So this is your thyroid gland. So at the back you will see your parathyroid. ये thyroid gland है जो सामने तरफ दिखाई देगा और ये जो पैराथायरॉयड मतलब पीछे की तरफ में मिलेगा थायराइड ग्लैंड के पीछे तरफ में मिलेगा और हम लोग चार दिखाई देगा ये जो पीले कलर का है येलो कलर 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 और ये पैराथायरॉयड ग्लैंड है okay so this is the parathyroid gland so parathyroid gland you will see at the back of your thyroid gland so four parts 1 2 3 4 so four parts you will see it. Okay, so this parathyroid gland helps you in what? They helps you in making your bone healthy. Okay, they helps in making your bone healthy. ये जो पैराथायरॉयड ग्लैंड है क्या करते हैं ये बोन्स है ठीक है ये हड्डी को हेल्दी मतलब अच्छे से स्वस्थ रहने के लिए ये मदद करते हैं ये पैराथायरॉयड ग्लैंड and it also helps you in controlling the level of your calcium and phosphorus. Understand? The parathyroid gland also helps you in controlling your calcium as well as phosphorus. तो ये जो पैराथायरॉयड ग्लैंड है ये ग्लैंड क्या करता है कैल्शियम और फॉस्फोरस मतलब अच्छे से मेंटेन अच्छे से बरकरार रखने के लिए ये मदद करता है ठीक है समझ में आया did you understand everyone
Yes, ma'am.
okay next is thymus this is a thymus gland it lies where it lies just at the middle point you can say of your chest ये thymus gland कहाँ पे है ये chest के ठीक मतलब मिडिल पे है बीच में है ठीक है ये तो thymus glands helps you in what it helps you in making white blood cells which is known as T lymphocytes and this T lymphocytes helps you in what they helps you in fighting against infection okay so that infection won't happen to you at the moment at the means to you it helps you in that but what you will see this thymus gland you will see that it only appears in babies okay child's immune system you can say as you grow older when you will hit your puberty when you will become puberty means adolescent stage what happens it will start to slow down it will start to vanish you can say it will start to decrease. Shrink means it will start to decrease, it will go down. तो ये थाइमस ग्लैंड क्या करते हैं, ये WBC मतलब व्हाइट ब्लड सेल्स बनाते हैं और टी लिम्फोसाइट्स बोलते हैं उसको। और ये थाइमस क्या करते हैं, ये थाइमस मतलब इन्फेक्शन हम लोग को नहीं होने के लिए जल्दी मतलब जल्दी इन्फेक्शन नहीं होने के लिए ये थाइमस ग्लैंड मदद करते हैं। लेकिन क्या मिलेगा ये थाइमस ग्लैंड पे, ये सिर्फ बच्चे लोग के बच्चे लोग मतलब बच्चे टाइम तक ही मिलेगा। जब उम्र बढ़ जाएगा, ठीक है, जब टीनेज हो जाएगा, प्यूबर्टी हो जाएगा, तब क्या होगा, तब ये बंद हो जाएगा, धीरे धीरे कम होना स्टार्ट कर देगा। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Yes, did you understand everyone? Next is adrenal gland, which you will spare, you will see this. Okay, please repeat. Which part, Mizanka? Thymus gland.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Mirinaka Deka, are you talking about thymus gland? Thymus gland के बारे में?
Yes.
Okay. So this is your thymus gland. Where you'll find your thymus gland? You'll find your thymus gland right at the middle of your chest. Okay, so this is your chest and it's right at the middle. You'll find this thymus gland. Means what was this part, you remembered or not? In the bones we have discussed. What was this part? हिन्ना you remember? ये जो part है, इसका part क्या था, हम लोगों ने bones में सीखा था। हाँ मीनाका, मीनाका, do you remember? Aikman Shisha? Aikman Shisha? Can you hear me? Aikman Shisha, can you hear me or not? Okay, can anyone hear me then? Babul Boro? Babul Boro, can you hear me? Yeah, this is the VIP, but I have said now one name. It starts with the letter S. It starts with the letter S. Do you remember? Huh? Starnum. Do you remember or not Starnum? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It lies a bit above you, the sternum. This is your rib cage. So sternum. Okay. So your thymus gland lies here. It is situated here, you can say. So this thymus gland, they make white blood cells, also known as T lymphocytes. And what do? They will fight against infection, so that infection won't happen to you like instantly. And but what you will see in this thymus gland, you will see that it occurs only to the babies, to the child. Okay, but as soon as like you start to get older, as soon as like it starts uh, to get older, it will shrink. It will shrink means it will start to slow down. It will start to decrease. Understand? तो ये थाइमस ग्लैंड क्या ये इस स्टर्नम के थोड़ी ऊपर में रहते हैं और ये जो थाइमस ग्लैंड है तीन लिम्फोसाइट्स से बनाया है और ये तीन लिम्फोसाइट्स का काम क्या है मतलब इन्फेक्शन ना होने के लिए हम लोग का मदद करते हैं ये इम्यून सिस्टम देता है हम लोग को और जब भी मतलब उम्र बढ़ जाएगा ठीक है जब एडोलेसेंस हो जाएगा एडोलेसेंस स्टेज पे ये क्या होगा ये थाइमस ग्लैंड धीरे धीरे मतलब कम होते जाएगा ठीक है समझ में आया ना मीना का देखा मीना का देखा समझ में आया अभी यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ यस next is your adrenal. Adrenal will lie just above the kidney, two kidney, right side and the left side. And this adrenal, what do? They will make some hormone, which is adrenaline, also known as epinephrine. And these two glands, they will make some hormones, also known as corticosteroids. And what will they do? These adrenal glands, they also do what? Some sexual function. Okay, so they are responsible for that. Okay, so are you clear? Are you clear, everyone, for today's class? Yes, is it clear, everyone, about endocrine system? Huh? Is it clear, Linta Mary, Prince Kumar, Prince Kumar, and all? Are you? Did you get it? Did you understand? Okay.